I always recommend container gardening because you can take some of your plants with. I got my goji berries, French sorrel, some chives, onions, our goji berries. So that way when you move, you can take your garden with you, kind of like taking the grocery store with you. Hello everyone, welcome back to Garden Fever, and today I got an update for you guys. I thought it was about time that I updated you on kind of what's been going on. Pardon me for one thing, I got a cold. I'm running out of time. It's March 31st, and tomorrow's going to be April 1st, so I need to get my tip out of the month out. So bear with me, but I do have lots to tell you. Back in November, I made an announcement that I had gotten a job promotion and that we would be buying a house and moving. I was going to be looking for some more land and stuff. The last few months, that's all I've been doing was working on my new job and finding a place. It's proving to be more difficult than I thought. Despite the promotion, finding acreage or huge amounts of land that were relatively close to my work has proven to be a difficult thing. So we did find a place. We are under contract. I haven't said anything up until this because we've had several fall through and in and out, or we would be interested in a home, and by the time we went to go look at it, it would have several offers already. So it's been kind of a roller coaster. However, we are kind of narrowing it down now. Our home has sold, and we are now currently in the process of buying another home. It has about 0.34 the gardening space. It's got about 0.34 of an acre, so I'm excited about that part. It doubles what we have now. Not quite an acre total, but about the closest I'm going to get. So anyway, I'm very excited about that. So I wanted to share kind of an update on what's going on. We are packing, we are moving, we are in the process of this, so the videos have been kind of spotty. But as soon as I get down there, I'm very excited because we got basically a blank slate. Lots of ideas coming our way, so I'm very excited. Anyway, I'm going to let you go for now because, like I said, I'm not feeling very well. I do have a quick tip for March, though. Because I've been moving, I've noticed that I've been paying attention to my old garden, and so my tip of the month for March is about container gardening and some of the pros and cons. I've kind of touched on it a little bit before on various pots and stuff in previous videos, but I've never really actually kind of encouraged container gardening because when you put a plant in the ground, they tend to be bigger and fuller. They don't dry out as fast. But some of the pros to having container gardening, like I'm moving, now all the years of bulbs and plants and perennials that I have put into my garden are going to be left here, and I don't know if the next owner is going to give them any kind of love. So it's kind of disheartening. I'm a little bit, it's kind of a bittersweet. I'm excited about the new place, but I'm also very kind of a bit sentimental and bittersweet towards leaving the old place. However, with my containers, because I did do a lot of them, I kind of did both, is I'm finding now that I can take them with. So that's turning out to be a bonus because now I don't have to necessarily start from ground zero and rebuy everything. I can take soil with me, I can take my containers with me, and then I can use those container plants such as like sage and all the herbs and Japanese bunching onions and sunchokes and things like that, and all my tubers for my flowers. I can take them with. So I do plan on leaving the majority of them here because I believe in making the world a greener place, and I've left my mark on this piece of land, and now I'm going to go start another little square. So I'm excited about that. Anyway, here's some shots of my garden. It is kind of a bittersweet. We're going to say goodbye to my old place. I would imagine by the end of April we'll be in our new house, and I'll be able to announce to everybody what the landscape looks like and kind of what I'm doing. So by the time you see me next, we'll be in our new house. And until then, if there's any questions or anything, feel free to leave them in the comments, or I have my email in the description. This is Corey Lefevre with Garden Fever. Talk to you soon. Some raspberries. We're going to take some raspberries with us too. The bigger canes haven't grown any leaves, but under all of our mulch, like right here and right here, we got some coming up. So I'm gonna take a few raspberries, I think, and transplant them into our new place too while we're at it. So the arborvitaes, I planted them when I first got here. They're about as tall as the fence, as you can see right there, most of them, or some of them. And we had a couple that died. I had to start over. But anyway, that's about 4.5 years of growth on an arborvitae, starting at about that size. So, don't know what the next owners will do, but these are about 4 to 5 years old, these guys. And those ones are probably about 3 years old. It's March, so they're just coming out of winter. But I'm kind of sentimental and sad. It's goodbye to this garden and hello to a new one.